Okay, go ahead and open your eyes.
No way.
Wait, are you serious?
Don't cry. I hate this.
Whoa.
As a single mother, I'm serious.
Hi guys, welcome to Vanessa's Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Trixie's room. Wait, what is it? Like not a room.
The Filipino way to measure the rice with your thumb.
It's not.
It is. Well, your nail is so long. It's not even accurate.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a whole tour of Trixie's new studio that I living room bedroom transformation. You guys are gonna see where I got all this stuff, all the details. Trixie, come here, say hello to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Okay, let's get to it.
Wait, hold on.
What?
I'm gonna feed you.
Okay.
Literally, eat that.
Okay, she said that this is supposed to be good, so let's go ahead and review. This is also a slash mukbang.
But she's the only one eating.
How do mukbangers do it? They like to actually eat like really.
You gotta do it
big,
up close. Up close.
Okay.
Down here.
Oh, I want to do ASMR to Wish. Today we're gonna be eating this weird looking taco thing. Okay. What is it? I can't. It's a chicken sandwich. It's a chicken sandwich.
Oh, sorry.
It's so cold.
Sorry. I'm sorry. It's so
It's good though.
But it's bomb, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a
Wow. This was in there.
Yeah.
What is up, you guys? So I'm actually in the middle of editing right now, and I wanted to come on here and say thank you guys for my 100 subscribers. That is such a celebration for me. The fact that I even have 100 subscribers is so exciting. Anyways, I wanted to go on here and basically just thank you guys for all your love and support, and I also wanted to say how much it really helps for you to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. I wish I got more comments so that I could read and connect with followers throughout the world. Follow me on all my social medias. I will leave them all here. Instagram at Vanessa Maranto, TikTok at Maranto. If you haven't subscribed, all I'm saying is let's go ahead and do it now. I'm right here. Come on, subscribe right now. Do it. And then we can go ahead and go on with the video. Okay? I'll wait. Did you do it? Okay. Let's go ahead and go back into the video.
You told me we was a day late on this one?
This was in there while I was decorating.
It's still hot. I mean, it's still cold.
Yeah.
Okay, that's embarrassing, BJ. I'm gonna make sure yours is warm.
I didn't get this. It is what it is.
What's your rating out of 10?
Oh,
As a fast snack, that's a 10 out of 10.
the fact that
That rat.
there's not a lot. It's not messy. I am gonna give it a 9 because it's cold.
That's just because of my cooking. Okay,
The server sucks. Other than that, if it was hot, I would give it a 10.
right? It's bomb. The flavor's so good.
My expectation is high now.
He's like,
It dripped. 9. Back down.
It's too messy. Back down to
but
8.
the fact that it's like,
Wait.
the fact that it's
Wait. Does it have hot sauce in it?
yeah, no, I put that.
Oh.
I put that.
I was like, hold
That's
on,
what we,
it went up to an 11.
The fact that it's like you can carry it everywhere, you know what I mean?
That's what she said.
Yeah. So I feel that adds points.
Okay. This is basically what we're working with. So we have the kitchen, we have the bedroom, and we have the living room space. I'm gonna be designing this like a studio. We are gonna be keeping the couch here. This color is beautiful for the style that she's gonna be wanting. Hi, Jules. Always in my videos. I'm gonna have new beddings. We're gonna paint this. We're gonna paint this one right here. They're gonna be helping us get some curtains. We're just gonna make this place look like super Pinterest vibey. But yeah, it's gonna be lit. All right, let's get to it, brothers.
Full throttle.
Full throttle. 180, 360, 590, 240. Yeah,
We got the creative director behind the camera.
that's right.
We're ready to go to work, man.
Cool.
I feel like Bob the Builder right now, and I'm just I'm ready to build.
Build.
He's very experienced. He's very, he was top class, what, plumber?
I actually graduated from the Institute of Electricity and Plumbing. I have a lot of experience with working with electricity, plumbing, you know, you break it, I fix it type thing, you know.
Oh, nice. Awesome.
So I'm here to fix what we break.
Okay, go ahead. We out. Late. So I finished the room. I'm gonna get Trixie and we're gonna see her apartment. Hello, hello. Are you ready to see your apartment? Are you guys ready? Oh, I don't know how to do this. Can you close your eyes? Okay.
I'm covering my eyes.
Everyone hold hands.
Okay,
There you go.
we're good.
Lots of hand holding.
Okay, so you tell us 1, 2, 3, open, okay?
Okay.
Our eyes are closed.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Dark.
It's really.
Do I know how to feel? Am I gonna hit?
Okay. Go ahead and open your eyes.
Are you serious?
Look at the dress.
This contact.
Don't cry.
Oh my god, babe, let me.
Wait.
Contact. As a single mother, I'm contact.
No.
The same place. Oh my god,
so
wait,
nice.
this is insane.
Yay.
Killed it.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
wow.
Thank you.
Wait, I'm still shocked.
Look how big it is.
I didn't.
A little moment.
I didn't know that this is a thing.
Are you kidding?
I mean, it doesn't actually do anything. Like, I didn't realize.
Honestly, thanks to Trixie's pictures, I was really like basing a lot of the colors off of her Pinterest vibes. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful time here.
Are you serious? This is
Content.
babe.
Content.
So thank you so much.
Of
This is
course.
insane. And we
I'm so happy that you guys love it.